how to reliably protect yourself from ransomware attacks. What do a US pipeline operator, an Australian meat producer, the Irish Health Service, Media Market Saturn, and Leipzig University have in common? They all fell victim to a ransomware attack in 2021, and they were far from the only ones. The SonicWall Cyber Threat Report 2021 reported over 623 million ransomware attacks last year, more than double that of 2020. Why is the number of ransomware attacks exploding? The reason is that ransomware is now available on the darknet as software from the cloud. This means that what used to require expert knowledge can now be carried out by beginners from their home PCs. The criminals use two different strategies for their attacks. Social engineering in particular poses a significant threat to companies. Although they invest considerable sums in digital security and technical defense mechanisms, they neglect a vital link in the security chain: people. Manipulating people is how social engineering succeeds, so it can affect any company. Why is social engineering so dangerous? One reason is that no one can predict attacks, and by the time they are noticed, it is often too late. In concrete terms, social engineering is an attempt by criminals to manipulate company employees psychologically. The goal is to get them to open their company's door, usually unconsciously, and allow malware in. One common example is phishing emails. These land in an employee's inbox and ask them to forward information or carry out certain activities, like taking part in an internal survey. The problem is that these emails look deceptively genuine. If the employee follows the instructions they contain, the hacker has a foot in the company's door. Even seemingly harmless Word documents or Excel tables can be used to gain access to an employee's computer and use it for further attacks. Cybercriminals also specifically look for security holes in operating systems and software vulnerabilities to infiltrate their malware. A frequent target for hackers is programming interfaces because API security leaves much to be desired in many instances. Once cybercriminals discover a loophole, they can quickly wreak havoc on corporate systems from afar. Remote code execution, RCE, makes it possible to plant malware on people's computers via the internet in a blink of an eye. Before launching an RCE attack, cybercriminals use specific tools for systematically scanning systems accessible via the internet for information. For example, the operating system version, open ports, or applications used. Hackers also use freely accessible applications for subsequent searches for vulnerabilities in networks and servers. This enables them to find many existing vulnerabilities in no time at all and gain increased user rights by executing code. Consequently, they can load further malware unhindered and cause massive damage. This makes it vital for companies to focus on all potential points of attack in their ecosystem and protect them accordingly. T-Systems and Akamai provide an optimal security package for this purpose, including protection mechanisms based on industry-leading core technologies and a comprehensive consulting service. The advantage: Akamai is the world's largest and most reliable edge platform, with around 325,000 servers in 125 countries and almost 1,500 networks. Using machine learning, Akamai analyzes more than 300 terabytes of attack data every day to rapidly identify new malware. The security solutions are then automatically equipped with the latest protection features. To reliably protect companies from ransomware attacks, Akamai's security solutions cover all possible vulnerabilities, including employees. The App and API Protector ensures that no malware penetrates via authorized access. Enterprise Threat Protector assesses potential risk in real time and prevents employees from accessing malicious domains and services if necessary. Bot Manager provides comprehensive capabilities to differentiate between real and bot traffic, defending enterprise applications against dangerous bot attacks. Zero Trust Network Security Model protects all corporate data, regardless of where users and devices are. It only allows access to applications required for a role's tasks and only if users have previously authenticated and are authorized. Guardicore creates comprehensive visibility at the process level and detects security breaches in real time. This makes it possible to stop the spread of malware at an early stage. Ransomware attacks are a real threat to any business, so don't wait until your company falls victim to an attack. Actively defend yourself against cybercrime attacks with the all-inclusive security package from T-Systems and Akamai.